Hello students, in this class we are going to study about domestic electric circuit. Domestic electric circuits. In our homes we are observed that small electric circuit with safety measurements. How these electric circuits will be constructed, what are the safety measurements, those we are discuss in this class. First, how this electricity we will receive. In our homes, we receive supply of electric power through power meters. In our homes, we are already seen this power meters. We called as the meters. Through that meters, we are receive the supply of electric power or overhead of electric poles or power plant. We are receive the electric power through the first one is power meters or overhead of the electric poles or power plant. Through this we are receive the power supply to our homes. In this power supply, consists of two wires. One of wire is insulated with red color, is called live wire. So in power supply consists of two wires. One of the wire is insulated, means surrounding of the copper wire red color coated is placed, that we will called live wire. Another wire is called neutral wire. So power supply consists of the two wires. First one is insulated with red color named as the live wire. Next one is neutral wire. In India, potential difference between two wires of power supply is 220 volt, or in case of frequency 50 hertz. In India, potential difference between two wires of power supply is 220 volts. Here the potential difference between live wire or neutral wire is 220 volts, in case of frequency 50 hertz. Next, how you construct the electric circuit. So what we are understanding, in case of power supply consists of the two wires. So this is the first wire, this is the second wire. So one of the wire is insulated with red color, that wire is named as the live wire. Another wire is named as the neutral wire. These are the two wires of power supply. These two wires are connected to first fuse. So this is the fuse. So these two are connected to fuse box. This is the one of the safety measurement in the electric circuit. In this fuse box, we are used some copper wires. This fuse box mainly working on the principle of Joule heating effect. Sometimes current will be entered large amount. In that situation, if you place the fuse box, in this fuse box contains copper wire, it will be easily melt. When it is melt, here copper wire will be break, so current will does not flows into electric circuit. So what is the use of the fuse box? It protects the electric circuit from the short circuits or overflow current. Next, this live wire and neutral wire are connected to power meter. In our homes, we are already seen the power meters. Through the power meters, we are receive the power supply. This is the power meter. So power supply is connected to power meter. Meter or what we call power meter. Next, through the power meter, we are dividing the power supply. Small circuit, one is 5 ampere circuit. So in that circuit, how much current is flows? 5 ampere. Next, this power supply is connected into 15 amperes large electric power device like refrigerator or washing machine like devices. So this power supply is divided into again fuse box with switches. So these are the switches along with fuse box. This total box we called as the distribution box. Means power will be distributed. Distribution box containing switch along with fuse. So up to now we are not using the earth wire. So why we are using the earth wire? What is meant by earth wire? Earth wire is also a wire. It is insulating with green color. So a wire is insulating with green color. That wire is known as the earth wire. So what is the purpose of the earth wire? So earth wire to avoid the leakage of current. In some situations current will be leak. It causes electric shocks. So to protect from electric shocks, we are using the earth wire. We are connected the earth wire. This earth wire is connected to the metallic plate that will be inserted into earth. It will collect the leakage of current. So this is also one of the safety measurements while constructing domestic electric circuit. So first measurement is fuse box, second is earth wire. These two are the mainly safety measurements while constructing of electric circuit. Later, this power supply can be connected to large electric device. In large electric device, we are already used sockets. It consists of 3 pins. So I am using here 3 appliances. So I am connecting 3 sockets. So this is the neutral wire. So I am connecting neutral wire, live wire. So this is the live wire. Later is connected to earth wire. This is also connected to earth wire. Why we are connected earth wire here? To avoid the leakage of current and protect from electric shocks. Okay. So why we are used here this symbol? Without touching of live wire, we are connected to earth wire. Without touching of the live wire. Okay. That's why we are using the symbol. Without touching of the live wire. This is the small electric circuit. So in this distribution box has flows 5 ampere current. Next, this each appliance will flow the maximum 15 ampere current. We are already studied. This is the live wire. This is the neutral wire. What is the potential difference between live wire and neutral wire? Is 220 volt. Here each sockets are connected in parallel connection. So what is the advantage of the parallel connection? In case of parallel, what is the advantage? Will same potential difference. Wherever you can check, each appliance has flow same potential difference. So we will maintain same potential difference with the help of parallel connection. In case of the series, potential difference is different. So in case of series connection, each appliances will flow the different potential difference. This is the construction of the domestic electric circuit. Next, NCERT textbook, in-text questions, page number 238. First question, name 2 safety measures commonly used in electric circuit and appliances. We are constructing the domestic electric circuit. We are placing some safety measurements. What are the safety measurements? I am already told you what are the safety measurements. First one is fuse or electric fuse. Second one is earth wire. What is the use of the fuse? To control overload or protect from short circuit. It controls the overload and protects from short circuit. If current is traveling more in the electric wire, what happened? The insulating of copper wire is melt, then live wire coming to in contact, then short circuit will happen. So to avoid from the short circuit, we are connected fuse. What is the purpose of the earth wire? To prevent from leakage of current. So in some electric circuits, leakage current is going to happen. To avoid from leakage current, we are connected to earth wire. So this earth wire will absorb the leakage current and it enters into the earth. This is the answer. So what are the safety measurements? Fuse or electric fuse. Second one is earth wire. Second question. An electric oven of 2 kilowatt power rating is operated in a domestic electric circuit of 220 volt. So 220 volts is the potential difference of the electric circuit. So V equal to 220 volt, that has a circuit current rating of 5 ampere. What result do you expect? Here one oven electric device is there. The power is flowing to the device is 2 kilowatt and potential difference is 220 volt. Limit of the current rating is 5 ampere. We are going to find the result. Okay. Here limit is given in the circuit, that is 5 ampere. First, how much amount current is flowing in the electric oven, that we have to find out. So what are the given here? Power P equal to 2 kilowatts. So 2000 into watt. So kilo equal to 1000, 2000 watt. Next potential difference 220 volt. I am going to find the current. We know that already power V P equal to V I. I am going to find the I equal to P by V. So what is the power value? 2000 by 220. So 0 gets cancel. How many times gets going to cancel? 200 divided by 22. It is 9.09 ampere. So it is around 9 ampere of current is flowing in the electric oven. But what is the limit here? 5 ampere. So in electric oven, more than 5 ampere current is flowing in the electric oven. So what happened? The electric circuit causes short circuit. Why? Because due to flow of heavy current. Due to flow of heavy current, the electric circuit causes short circuit. So see, this electric circuit becomes short circuit. This is the answer. Next question. What precaution should be taken to avoid the overloading of domestic electric circuit? What we are taking the precautions to avoid from overloading current of domestic electric circuit? What are the precautions? First one is too many appliances should not be used at a time. So many appliances should not used at a time because these all appliances will consume overload current. Second one is too many appliances should not to connect to a single socket. So many appliances should not connect to a single socket. Third precaution is the electric circuit is connected to electric fuse. So these are the three main precautions to avoid the overloading of domestic electric circuit. So first one is too many appliances should not used same time. Too many appliances should not connected to a single circuit. The electric circuit must be connected with the electric fuse. This is the answer. These three are the in-test questions in NCERT textbook. Exercise questions from chapter of magnetic effects of electric current. First question, which of the following correctly describes the magnetic field near a long straight line? So here, which of the following correctly describe magnetic field near a long straight wire? Suppose I am taking, this is a straight wire, I am placing magnetic field near the straight wire. How the magnetic field is produced in the straight wire? When some current is flowing in this straight wire, surround magnetic field is produced is concentric circles. These are concentric circles. To find the direction of the magnetic field by using of the thumb rule. So see the options here. The field consists of a straight lines perpendicular to the wires. No, here magnetic fields are concentric circuits. Field consists of straight lines parallel to the wire. Third one is the field consists of radial lines orienting from the wire. This is also wrong option. The field consists of concentric circles center of the wire. Concentric circles center of the wire. So here circles are concentric circles center of the wire. So option D is the correct answer. Next, second question. The phenomenon of electromagnetic induction is. What is the phenomenon of electromagnetic induction? To produce induced current in the circuit by changing the magnetic field. So see the options. First option is produces of charging a body. Second option is the process of generating magnetic field due to a current passing through the coil. Option 3, producing induced current in a coil due to relative motion between magnet and coil. Here relative motion between magnet and coil due to the relative motion producing of induced current in the coil. So option C is the correct. Next, third question. The device used for producing electric current is called. The device used for producing electric current. Here using the device producing of electric current. What is that device? Generator. By using of the generator we produce the direct current or alternative current. Galvanometer to measure the electric current. Ammeter is also measure the only flow of current. Motor, it converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. So option A is the correct answer. Generator for producing of electric current, that is either alternative current or direct current. Next, fourth question. The essential difference between AC generator and DC generator is. What is the difference between AC generator and DC generator? We are already studied. In case of AC generator, what we are used, which type of commutator? In case of AC generator, we are used slip ring. But in case of DC generator, we are used split rings type commutator or semi circular rings. So see the options. AC generator has a electromagnet while a DC generator has a permanent magnet. Wrong option. DC generator will generate higher voltage. AC generator will generate higher voltage. AC generator has slip ring. In case of AC generator has slip ring, while the DC generator has commutator. Which type of the commutator? Split ring type commutator or semicircular ring type commutator. So option D is the correct answer. Next question, fifth one. At the time of short circuit, the current in the circuit. So at the time of short circuit, the current in the circuit, how much current is flowing in the circuit? More than the limit. Suppose we are connecting 5 ampere current in that circuit. In that circuit has flows more than 5 ampere current, it causes short circuit. So in time of the short circuit, the current in the circuit is increases current heavily. So see the options. So option C is the correct answer. Next question. State whether the following statements are true or false. Here given some statements, we are going to find the which statement is true, which statement is false. So first one, an electric motor converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. We are already studied electrical motor converts. According to electric motor, first electric motor will receive the electrical energy, then it performs the task, it converted mechanical energy. So electric motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy, but here given the mechanical energy into electrical energy. So option A is false. Okay. So coming to option B, an electric generator works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. This is correct. Straight question. Electric generator works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. So that is true. So coming to C, the field at the center of long circular coil carrying current will parallel to straight lines. This is also correct one. the field at the center of the long circular coil. In case of coil, field is at the center, carrying current will be parallel to straight lines. So option C is also correct. Coming to option D, a wire with a green insulation is usually the live wire of the electric supply. We are using a wire which is insulated with green color, what we called earth wire, is usually the live wire, but here given the used for live wire. So earth wire we called as the live wire, wrong. So option D is false. Okay, option A is false, option B is true, option C is true, option D is false. Next question, list 3 sources of magnetic field. So what are the sources of magnetic field? Give 3 examples. First one, magnetic fields produced by placing of horseshoe magnet or permanent magnet which required place. In your required place, you want magnetic fields by placing of horseshoe magnet or permanent magnet. This is the one source of the magnetic field. Coming to second one, magnetic field produced by straight wire while passing current in it. When current is passing in a straight wire, its surrounding magnetic field will be developed. Next, third one, magnetic field produced by solenoid while flow of current through it. When current is passing through the solenoid, its surrounding magnetic field is developed. These are the 3 sources of the magnetic field. Remaining questions we will discuss in next session.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.